In this video I will show you how I make stickers in Photoshop. First I draw the contours. After I finish, I pick them up and recreate them more smoothly and also make the lines thicker. I do it this way, I guide all the black lines. You can do that by clicking on the control and then on the layer. I make the current layer invisible and create a new one. Then I go to the select menu, modify, expand. Then I go to path and create a new path from the selection. By pressing A I get to the path selection tool and with right click I can select fill path. Now my lines are smoother and more beautiful and thicker. Now I paint the painting. I select the desired areas and in a new layer I fill in the color. After that I add shadows. And that's it. Now I unite all the layers together and add a stroke effect. This effect will add a white line around the entire painting and it highlights the painting and gives it a sticker look. To save the sticker, click File, Save As, and in the panel that opens, select PNG. This way the image will be saved with a transparent background. That's the whole process. Now I will show you how to do the same with a picture. Here is a sample image. I select the desired part and delete the rest. On the remaining part I add the stroke effect. And after that save as a PNG file. That's it. Now all you need is a WhatsApp app that is capable of creating stickers. Here is one example. I hope you enjoyed. In the description attached is a link to my sticker shop, check it out.